Hi student, in this video we will learn how to earn online from LinkedIn using AutoCAD Civil 3D. It's a social networking site designed specifically for the business community. The goal of the site is to enable registered members to establish and document network of people they know and trust professionally. LinkedIn is also a resource for professionals to find jobs, research companies, and get news about their industries and business connections. You can sign up and create profile as professional Civil 3D user or draftsman and put everything into it to make search engine optimization. It's very necessary for your profile to optimize that. Connect with pupils as much as you can, but they should be related to your skill like land developers, architects, surveyors. If you have any another skill, then you can go accordingly, but techniques and tips will be stay same. The same rule and processing will apply to get clients here on LinkedIn like Facebook page. Let's have a look at LinkedIn when you will create your account and come to your profile. You can make changes according to your skill, like I am surveyor or civil 3D BIM modeler. I will write like this, and you can post daily on your LinkedIn. It will not headache, because if you are posting on your Facebook page, then you can put same content on your LinkedIn profile. So you will get many connections here. You can go to your network and find pupils to join them here to increase your network. When you will increase your network, then you can see here we have many posts related to vacancies. If you are looking for jobs, then you can get jobs. But if you are looking for remotely jobs, then you can also find remotely jobs from LinkedIn. You can also message them and comment to get any jobs on LinkedIn. If we are looking for remotely jobs, we will go to jobs. And here you can write Civil 3D and select any time or so experience. You can select company if you have any specific. So here you can see we have remotes. If we will find remotes, then it will show us a result record according to remote jobs. So there are many filters which you can apply to find best matches job related to your skill. So it's very large platform in the world to get jobs and connection. The connections with people related to your skill is very best, which get you very best job and online remotely jobs also. So stay alert for next video, which we will learn about WhatsApp, that how can we use WhatsApp to earn online using